Welcome you all to a session 7 video of the chapter Overheads, Cost and Management Accounting, 4th semester BCom of Mangalore University. In this session, let us work out a problem on primary distribution of overheads. A company has 4 production departments A, B, C, D and 1 service department E. The actual cost of the period are as follows: repairs 4,000, rent 5,000, depreciation 2,400, supervision 8,000, insurance 3,000, ESI, that is employee state insurance 1,200, lighting 3,600. The following data are also available in respect of the 5 departments: area, number of workers, direct wages, value of plant, value of stock. The question is to apportion the cost to various departments on equitable basis. So we'll have to prepare a primary distribution summary. The columns for the primary distribution summary are overheads, basis of apportionment, total, A, B, C, D and E department, the different departments. Now we have to understand the different overheads and the basis of apportionment of the different overheads. Now repairs is based on the value of plant. Rent is based on the area occupied. Depreciation is based on the value of plant. Supervision is given. Supervision is based on the number of workers. Insurance, so when you have this information about insurance, we'll have to be careful. So we have the information about the value of plant as well as the value of stock. Now the value of plant information was used for apportioning repairs as well as depreciation. Now this insurance we will consider it as the insurance of the stock of materials. So the value of stock information will be used in order to distribute insurance. ESI, that is employee state insurance. This is like the contribution made by the employer towards employees insurance. Similarly, we have the PF contribution made by the employer to the employee. So we have ESI contribution as well as PF contribution and all. So these contributions are actually based as a percentage of the wages. So now we have information about the direct wages. So it will be considered, that is the basis of apportionment will be direct wages. If this information is not available, then we will consider the number of workers. So in this case the information is available, the direct wages for different department. So ESI will be based on direct wages. The next item is lighting. Lighting is actually based on light points. So in this problem we do not have information about light points. So the next item which can be considered is the area occupied. So area is given for different departments: 280, 240, 220, 180 and 80. So based on this it can be distributed among the different departments. So as we can see here, and we have the information about direct wages. So whenever we have information about the direct wages, direct materials or direct expenses, then it has to be considered for the service department, because for service department, since they are not engaged in the manufacture of the products, they do not have direct wages. It is, even though it's direct wages, it is considered as overhead. So we have direct wages. So first we will take that into consideration, direct wages. Now only for the service department, we have only one service department, that is service department E. So direct wages 4,000 will be considered. Then for all other departments it will be blank. Now the basis of apportionment is actual. The next item is repairs, 4,000. Repairs is based on the value of plant. So plant value, the ratio we have to find out. So it is 40, 36, 32, 20 and 12, which will be further simplified as 10:9:8:5:3. The next item is rent. Rent is 5,000. It is based on area. So area we can see here 280, 240, 220, 180 and 80. So it can be further simplified as 14:12:11:9:4. The next item is depreciation, 2,400. Depreciation is based on plant value. We have already found out the ratio, 10:9:8:5:3. The next item is supervision, 8,000. Supervision is based on number of workers, that is 5:4:2:2:1. So the number of workers ratio 5:4:2:2:1. Insurance is based on the stock value. So here we can make out 30,000, 20,000, 10,000 and 4,000. So it will be 15 is to 10 is to 5 is to 2 is to 0. For the last department it's not there. ESI to 1,200, it is based on the direct wages. 10 is to 8 is to 5 is to 5 is to 2 is the ratio. Based on that ratio, amount will be distributed. The next one is lighting, 3,600. It is based on the area. So we have already found out the ratio for area, that is 14 is to 12 is to 11 is to 9 is to 4. So based on this ratio, the amount will be distributed among the different departments, and the total of all the departments will be found out. So we have the total 31,200 for A department, 8,900 for B department, 7,253. So C department 5,167, D department 3,992, and the last department E 5,888. Thank you.